civil authorities have issued a civil emergency message for Pickens SC and Greenville SC, beginning at 4:46 p.m. and ending at 7:46 p.m. This is a message from the Greenville and Pickens County Emergency Management. There is a mandatory evacuation in effect for residents in the areas east of the Greenville watershed, Table Rock Road, west of River Falls Road, and Wesleyan Camp. The evacuation shelter located at Marietta First Baptist Church at 2936 Gear Highway, Marietta, South Carolina 29661. Evacuation in effect until further notice. If you need further information, call the Public Information Phone System at 864-467-3428. Monitor local media for updates. If you cannot evacuate, call September 1st, 2001.